meteorologist Grant Skinner with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
Well, in case you're just now tuning in, first of all, thanks so much for joining us this evening. And also, I want to give a quick update in the tropics in case you missed it earlier in the newscast. We're watching 3 areas: Tropical Storm Philippe, also an area to watch off the west coast of Africa, and another area in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. The good news is none of these systems have an effect on the News 5 viewing area and don't look to have an effect in the long term either. I do want to quickly mention this system in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico because it is in the Gulf of Mexico. It can be a little bit concerning, but next 2 to 7 days, low chance of development, and the upper level winds overall are just not favorable for this to develop in the long term. So not expecting any impacts from that. Besides some moisture being drawn in as that low slowly moves to the west, we'll still get some southerly flow, bringing a little bit more moisture, especially into the middle of this coming week. Radar right now is clear. We had a couple of showers in our western communities this afternoon as some moisture was driving in from the west. Drier air has been mainly sitting off to the east over portions of northwest Florida. You haven't seen much of any rain at all over the past couple of days. Here's the view from Lisa McCauley and Foley. Stunning sunset this afternoon. We had a little bit of cloud cover off to the west. It was just a stunning sky this evening. Gulf Quest Museum now very calm and mostly clear. Got a beautiful sight of the U.S. naval ship that's actually ported along the Mobile River. It's a cool sight there. And Pensacola National Airport, nice calm evening there as well. Upper 70s. Dew point sitting in the low 60s this evening, and I tell you what, it's very pleasant but humid tonight. So temperatures already in the mid-70s. We won't drop off that much in terms of our overnight lows because of the humidity sitting over the area. Here the next 12 hours, you'll see by the time we hit around that 3, 4, 5 a.m. time frame, only around 70 degrees. So your low tonight, right at 70. More humid though. We got that southerly wind driving in that moisture. Mostly clear skies by the early morning, but then more cloud cover by the afternoon. We'll keep partly cloudy skies, temperatures right around 90 degrees, and only a 10% chance that you're going to need the Green and Phillips umbrella. I'm not expecting any widespread rain chances, just a few showers and storms possible by the afternoon. You can see dry air still parked over portions of northwest Florida and the Panhandle, and a little bit of moisture creeping into those western spots. That's why we have a little bit more humidity into tonight, and some southerly winds bring in some more moisture, and more moisture is going to stream in by the middle of this week as well. Let's take a look at this. By the time we hit Tuesday and into Wednesday, you can see that southerly flow driving in that moisture. It'll bring in increased rain chances by the middle of this week. Let's count how many times I said moisture. I feel like I've said that a million times. 30% Tuesday, Wednesday at 50%, so more widespread showers and storms possible then Thursday at 30%. So overall, higher dew points by the middle of this week. It'll feel a little bit more muggy. Temperatures dropping into the mid-80s, though. That'll be nice. Then drier and lower rain chances by the end of this coming weekend.